Number 5. Rich media. Tech is inherently abstract. You gotta admit it. There's no easy way to describe the call stack or algorithmic complexity. To this end, their courses and explainer videos have many helpful animations and diagrams, which most other learning resources don't. They also use plenty of metaphors, memes, and pop culture references that help make concepts stick. When visuals are combined with jokes and analogies, they explain concepts so much better than words can alone.